Hello everyone, I am Debasis Misra and next topic is SVM or support vector machine. SVM or support vector machine is a supervised learning algorithm that is used for classification and regression tasks. It tries to draw a line that separates different classes and group of data. SVM looks at data and tries to draw a line that separates the classes while staying as far as possible from the nearest point of each class. The line that separates it is called hyperplane. Support vector machine. This is the structure of support vector machine. At first, we import SVM plus decision boundary visualization. From sklearn.svm, I import SVC, which is called support vector classifier, which is a class used to create SVM model. Next, I will import breast cancer dataset. We want to visualize the data boundary, decision boundary drawn by SVM. The decision boundary display class help plot the SVM decision line or surface. The next line, see the use of import cancer dataset and is stored in the variable called cancer. Cancer is the object that contains things like cancer data, cancer target names, etc. Next, we use cancer data. It contains 30 features of all patients, but we only need 2 features here, so we take 2 rows but only 2 columns. The cancer target contains if the patient has cancer or not. SVC is creating an SVM classifier and storing it inside the variable SVM. Here we are choosing what type of SVM we want and setting some important parameter. If the data can be separated with a straight line, linear kernel is perfect. You can see in this figure. This function used the trained SVM to draw a decision boundary on a graph. It checks how SVM would classify every point in a grid and color the background to show which side belong to cancer and which of non-cancer. The transparency and color map makes the plot look clean and the x-axis and y-axis are automatically taken from the datasets. Feature name so graph is easy to interpret. You can see here two color. One is for giving the answer person is of cancer and another is for non-cancer. The scatter use a scatter map to plot all the values in the algorithm. Each point is color based on the patient has cancer or not. S20 set the size of the each point. After plotting all the point, plot show display the complete graph from the screen. You can see here. So SVM help us to separate the data into two groups by drawing the best possible line between them. In this cancer example, it learns which patient have cancer, which don't, and then find the line that separate the two groups as clearly as possible. See, this group shows the person has cancer and this group show and the person don't have cancer. This helps us predict new patient correctly. In short, SVM is the middle line, radical on one side, liberal on the other side. Thank you.